Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Claude app phishing issue. First, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for Claude, swipe it away completely, wait for a few while, and then reopen it. Next, restart your phone to remove temporary system glitches. Next, head over to your App Store or Play Store, search for Claude and check if your app needs an update. Open the App Store and update the Claude to the latest version. Outdated versions can often freeze. Then you can also clear the apps cache. On Android, go to the phone settings, open Apps, select Claude, tap Storage and clear cache. If the problem continues, long press on the app icon. Remove app, then delete the app. After deleting it, go to the App Store, search for Claude, and then reinstall it from the official App Store. This usually fixes most freezing issues. That's how you can